Hey guys, it's Frau Goverdon, and I'm here to show you 3 ways that you can get to Google Calendar from within Google Classroom. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come over to the right side, and to the left of your profile picture over here, there are 9 dots. And if you click on them, one of them is going to be the app, that is the calendar app. It's a blue box with the white 31 in it, and when you click that, it's going to open a new tab for you. And in this new tab, you will then see your calendar. And to the left over here, all of your classes should be selected. So that means math, social studies, ELA, science, etc., etc. All of the classes that you are enrolled in this semester will be checked off over here. You can also change the colors if you like by clicking to the right over here, and they can all be the same color, or you can make them all in the cool family and the blue family, what have you, but that is up to you. That's the way that you can specialize it. But then it will populate the assignments or information that your teachers are trying to share with you within Google Calendar. And it's just a really nice, handy tool. A second way to get to it is if you are within one of your classes, right? So that's what this means. I've clicked into one of the classes. And at the top there where it says classwork, you will click on classwork. And in between the Meets icon and the Class Drive folder, it says Google Calendar. And if you click on Google Calendar within Classwork, it'll open up the exact same tab and the exact same screen for you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete the first one that I opened. So same deal. If you've made changes, by the way, to the color, it will save and it will show you that every single time you go into your calendar. And it's really nice because then it kind of color codes it for you as you're looking for assignments. One thing that's really important to mention for you to remember is that the assignments will populate on the due date, right? So if we say that something is due, I don't know, September 20th, that means that it won't show up in any other date except for September 20th. So you just want to make sure that you are looking ahead. That means that if you log on, let's say on Monday, September 14th, and there's no work, that doesn't mean there's nothing for you to be working on. That just means there's nothing due on Monday. So you want to look ahead to the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, the rest of the days that week to make sure that you are checking off those things that are due later, so that it doesn't turn out that you have 7 things due on one day and all of a sudden you have one evening where you're having to finish a lot of assignments. So you just really want to make sure that you're pacing yourself and working ahead. And the third way that I'm going to show you that you can get to a calendar view from within Google Classroom is that those 3 bars that I just clicked on, they're all the way to the left. You will see classes and then calendar. And if you click on this calendar view, it's going to look a little different than the other ways I've showed you. It's just a weekly, but it'll also show you all of your assignments in this view. And the other thing that's really cool is your teachers that are using Google Meets, those Google Meet codes also automatically populate within Google Calendar. And I just really hope that this was a helpful tutorial. If you have any questions, just reach out to me or your homeroom teacher. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.